So this hack is my ultimate cooking hack, to be honest. Probing. Probes are one of the most useful pieces of kitchen equipment imaginable. In fact, Rick says they're the most important piece of kitchen equipment in a kitchen. I would say knives, but probes would come a close second. Now, when you buy a probe, these are really cheap. You can get them online. We sell them on rickstein.com. They're like a tenner, and they're really, really good. What they do is they take all the guesswork out of cooking, because lots and lots of different fish, different meats, have different cuts, cook at completely different times. You could have 2 pieces of hake, which I've got here, that are from a different part of the fish, which will cook at different times. Now, it's really important to remember, when you're probing the fish, once it's cooked, you wouldn't hold it like this, but to probe through the thickest part, because that's the bit that's going to take the longest to cook. So on this piece of fish here, I'll be probing it through here, and just underneath the skin like so. Now with fish, you want it off the bone, you want it to be about 50 degrees, with things like steak for rare 55, for medium rare about 56, 58, well done 70 degrees, anywhere beyond that. So that's how you start to use them. You can also, they're really good for roasting joints, for hams at Christmas and things like that, because you can stick them in there and you get a reading. You don't have to worry about conversion tables and everything like that. You can online, you can find a list of all the different types of meat and what they should probe to. Turkey would be about 70, chicken would be about 69, lamb would be 58, and you just get a list, put the probe in, guesswork, it is done. And honestly, every one of our kitchens, every chef on the pass sending food out has one of these in their pocket. So it's my top tip. Trust me, your cooking will be changed forever.